Gremlin Python retrieve ids and labels, valueMap true. Python g.v test_reg1.valueMap.toList. Works fine, but when I pass true to request ids and labels I get this error. Anything I am missing? Am I missing something? I am using AWS Neptune. I am adding extra import statements. And traceback.
My guess is that you are running into trouble with this recently reported bug with valueMap true. This URL. It is patched and will be fixed with release of 3.3.2. Until then you will have to work around the issue as there really is no fix short of reverting to Gremlin 2.0, which comes with its own set of downsides. One workaround would be to project your results.
If you want to support, do not press the results icon.